Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Classroom of Standard 6th. We are seeing lesson number 10, equations. In last video, you have seen how to solve an equation. Today, we are going to solve practice set 27. In last video, we have seen how to add, subtract, multiply, divide the equation is explained in a proper way. So let's start with today's practice set 21. What is given in the first question? Rewrite the following using a letter. In last video we have seen the properties. So first one is the sum of a certain number and 3. So, how we will write? A certain number be x. Here, the sum of a certain number and 3. Here, sum means addition. So, how we will write your equation? X plus 3. Now, second is the differences obtained by subtracting 11 from another number. Another number be x. The differences here, differences means subtraction. So, how we will write? X minus 11. This is our second equation. Third, the product of 15 and another number. Here product means multiplication. So how we will write? 15 into x or 15x. Fourth one, 4 times a number is 24. Here time means student division. So 4 into x is equal to 24. I hope you have understood how to write the equation. So, now let's go to question number 2. What they have given? Find out which operation must be done on both sides of these equations in order to solve them. Just now we learned how to form an equation. Now we have to find operation on that equation. So let's do how to find. X plus 9 is equal to 11. This is an equation. Here it is plus 9. We have to subtract minus 9 on both the sides. So how we will write? Subtract 9 from both the sides. X minus 4 is equal to 9. You have to add plus 4 to both the sides, that is LHS and RHS. So how we will write? Add 4 to both the sides. You have to just find which operation we are going to perform. Third one, 8x is equal to 24. Here it is multiplication, and when there is multiplication, you divide number to both the sides. Dividing both sides by 8. Fourth one, x by 6 is equal to 3. Here you will do opposite of multiplication. Sorry, opposite of division. Multiply both the sides by 6. In this way, you will solve your question number 2. Now we will move on. Third question. Given below are some equation and values of the solution to those equation. In this we have to say whether the value of variable that they have given in a table is right or wrong. So how we will solve? Here they have given the value of variable and it is equation y minus 3 is equal to 11. You have to put 3 in the equation and you have to solve. First we have to solve it. Y minus 3 is equal to 11. This is given in the table. Now we will put y is equal to 3. Solve it. LHS y minus 3. Y is equal to 3. Value of the variable 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. LHS is equal to 0. And what is RHS? RHS is equal to 11. So 0 is not equal to 11. So your answer will be no. Answer is no. You will put that in the table. Second one. 17 is equal to n plus 7. What is LHS? 17. And what is RHS? N plus 7. N is equal to 10. What they have given? Value of variable n is equal to 10. So 10 plus 7, 17. LHS is equal to RHS. 17 is equal to 17. Yes. So in table solution will be yes. In this way you will write the solution. Now here 30 is equal to 5x. Now put the value of variable. 30 is equal to 5 into 6, 30. M by 2 is equal to 14. 7 by 2 is equal to 14. No. In this way we have to say whether the value of variable that they have given in a table is right or wrong. Now moving on to fourth question. Solve the following equations. Here they have given us 8 equations. Some are of subtraction, some are of multiplication, some are of addition, and some are of division. Now we will solve one by one. Y minus 5 is equal to 1 and m minus 5 is equal to minus 12. Here subtraction, here is also subtraction. Now let's solve. First one, y minus 5 is equal to 1. This is our equation. We have to solve. Now here it is minus 5. So what we will do? We will add plus 5 to LHS as well as to RHS. Therefore y minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 1 plus 5. Adding 5 to both the sides. You have to give reason which step you are taking. Plus 5 minus 5, 0. Therefore y plus 0 is equal to 1 plus 5. We get answer 6. Therefore y is equal to 6. In this way you will solve the following equation. Now second one, 8 is equal to t plus 5. Now here you will exchange. First what you will do, you will exchange, that is LHS you will take on this side and RHS on this side. T plus 5 is equal to 8. You will write the reason: exchanging the two sides. Now here it is plus 5. So what you will do? You will subtract minus 5 from both the sides. T, therefore T plus 5 minus 5 is equal to 8 minus 5. Here you will write a reason. We have to mention the reason in the bracket, okay? Subtracting 5 from both sides. Plus 5 minus 5, 0. T plus 0 is equal to 8 minus 5, 3. Therefore, T is equal to 3. Now, moving on to third one. 4x is equal to 52. 4x is equal to 52. Therefore, 4x divided by 4 is equal to 52 divided by 4. What we have done? Dividing both the sides by 4. 4 get cancel. 4 1 are 4, 4 13 are 52. Therefore, x is equal to 13. Now, next one, we will see fifth one. Therefore, P by 4 into 4 is equal to 9 into 4. What we have done? We have multiplied 4 both the sides by 4. 4 get cancelled. Therefore, P is equal to 9 4 are 36. Now we will see seventh one. M minus 5 is equal to minus 12. Now here they have given minus 12 and here minus 5. Therefore, M minus 5 plus 5 is equal to 12 plus 5. What we have done? We have added 5 to both the sides, adding both the sides by 5. Therefore, minus 5 plus 5, 0. M plus 0 is equal to minus 12 plus 5. Now here we will subtract 7. And which sign you will put? The greater number sign. Here 12 is greater, so minus 7. Therefore, M is equal to minus 7. In this way, we have seen how to do question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. In next video, we are going to solve question number 5. Thank you.